Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Lenovo utility startup error. Windows can't find Lenovo utility. So guys, to resolve this problem, open any web browser, then type this URL support.lenovo.com, download DS500 So you will see this page. And guys, if you are using Windows 10 64-bit, so click on this download option. So click on this download and double click on it, this exe file. It will ask permissions, so click on yes, then click on next. Check this box, I accept the agreement, then next and install. Then click on finish and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can resolve and we can fix this Lenovo utility problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.